a new path, Lord. Open it up and shut. Make your finances come forth, Lord, from
Amen.
places they never never thought they would come from.
Mm-hmm.
Amen.
Let the funds come forth, Lord. Plentiful.
Yes, Jesus.
Yes, Lord.
Amen. Amen.
Oh, I've seen all them doors shut, but you said it was a double door for both of them to be open. So let the sound of the shofar open that double door.
Yes, Jesus.
Let them be able to see it, Lord.
Amen.
Let all the finances come forth, Lord. In the name of Yeshua.
Amen.
Amen. Amen.